Hey guys, and welcome back. So if you are new, welcome, and it is so good to have you, and I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave. Today's video is just a CVS breakdown. It is for the spend 20 get 5, and this starts June the 3rd. So let's jump into this. What you are going to want to pick up is 3 Pantene, and they are priced 3 for $12. We have a $5 off coupon. Then you want to pick up 1 Gain laundry detergent or Gain Flings, and they are priced at $4.94, and we have a $2 off coupon, or you can use the $2 off digital on your app. Then you want to pick up 1 Tampax for $3.99. We have a $1 off coupon, or you can find the $1 off on the app as well. So your total is going to come to $20.93, and you are well over that $20. So your $5 ECB will print. So I had $3 off 12 shampoo purchase, and then a $2 off tampon purchase. So that is going to help bring my total down lower. So $20.93 minus $8 in coupons plus $5 in CRTs is going to be $7.93, and then you're going to get back a $5 ECB. So your final cost is $2.93 or 58 cents each for all these items, guys, and that is a great deal. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy couponing from my home to yours, guys.